Alam nyo, kaya yung iba dinidemonize yung astrology is because merong higher power na gustong itago yung yung blueprint because they don't want you to know how to navigate life para maging confused ka buong buhay mo about what's going on with your life. Kasi kung alam mo na, hindi ka na magtataka, hindi ka na maguguluhan, mas magkakaroon ng acceptance, mas magkakaroon ng learning, kumbaga mas mapapa-speed up yung yung kailangan mong matutunan sa mundo. Why we are here. So, eto syempre hindi naman lahat mag-a-agree dito at alam kong maraming matitrigger but they some organizations and institutions, they want you to follow them blindly. Na, when you say, have faith in what? To them, to their system. But when you look into it in a deeper level, astrology will definitely give you the answers. Like, why we are here, why are you meeting these people. Kasi alam nyo, wala namang coincidence. Lahat ng mga taong nakikilala natin sa buhay natin, they are there for a mission or for a reason to teach us a lesson. So, yeah. Kung yung iba na hindi naniniwala sa astrology, it's okay, it's fine. Sige, wala namang problema. But to those who are wanting to get to know their lives, try learning astrology, especially the Vedic astrology, the true sidereal or the sidereal astrology. Kasi mas ilalabas niya dun yung karma, like the deeper level or it's like more of a soul integration kung bakit tayo nandito. And you will be forced to see the real you instead of the shallow and yung mga tawag dito, mabababaw na pinapakita sa atin ng sistema na ginawa lang din ng tao. But I don't know if you are resonating with this message, but I suggest that you try to learn astrology. You will maraming mga tanong ka sa life mo and more on self-discovery din yung learning astrology. It's not a religion, okay? It's a tool na pwede mong gamitin para mas makilala mo yung sarili mo at yung mga taong nasa paligid mo at mas makapag-ready ka sa mga lessons na darating sa buhay mo.